Right, so let's look at the small numbers, very small numbers. So these are fractional, these are divisions of fractions. Okay, so let's start with 1. And then we have deci, which we've already seen as a tenth. So deci is 10 to the negative 1. Centi is 10 to the negative 2, which is a tenth, so which is a hundredth. And then milli is 10 to the negative 3, and that's a thousandth. Micro is 10 to the negative 6, that's a millionth. And again, you will see this in electrostatics. For example, when you have microcoulombs, then what you do is to write that in scientific notation. If you're going to do your calculations, in the place of micro, place 10 to the negative 6. Okay, so that's micro. And nano, you may also see that in electrostatics. So you have nanocoulombs or nanometers in electromagnetism for waves. Nano is 10 to the negative 9. Okay, so it's a trillionth. So when you see nano or n, so let's say nanocoulombs, then in the place of nano, you insert 10 to the negative 9, right? 10 to the negative 12, that's pico, which is maybe, those are atomic sizes, atomic radius. That's a trillionth. And then you have femto, that's 10 to the negative 15. That's 10 to the 15th. In fact, the atomic radius, I think it's 10 times the pico numbers there. But femto is 10 to the 15th. And then you have atto, which is quintillionth. That's 10 to the negative 18. Okay. All right. So these are your SI prefixes. Thank you. So now, in the next videos, we will do scientific method. We'll just do independent, dependent variables and interpolation and extrapolation. And yeah, and then we do mechanics. All right. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.